Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. I am Kelly Lee, and on this channel, I talk about everything spirituality and witchcraft related that I do in my everyday life, as well as aromatherapy, herbalism, and of course, tarot. So today I have an unboxing for you of the Verdance Tarot by Stephanie Humanlaw. If I have mispronounced that, I apologize. Verdance Tarot, I got this in January's Witch's Moon box, I think it was. And just now getting around to do a little unboxing for you all. So put these aside really quickly. So as with all Llewellyn tarot decks, it does have a little class box like this. It also, as with most or all of the new decks that Llewellyn has been giving out, it does come with a cute little card holder with a moon on it. Then in the box itself, very pretty. It says, "Through verdant woods where secrets lie, an ancient one hails to the sky. May a path unfold to the glades where spirit speaks and truth pervades." Very cute. This deck is also one that this is not a minimalist deck. Let me just say that. There, very much so. So this artist, her art is incredible. It is immersive. It'll take you in, and you can stare at a card and find new things every time you look at it, and new connections. So this is not for a minimalist lover. The guidebook also, very thick, chunky guidebook. You do get full color pages of each card. She has so much information in here, and I will flip through this after our walkthrough. So let me zoom in a little bit here for you so you can see the cards. So these are the backs. Little bees and swirliness. It is not edged in anything. The cards themselves, pretty good cardstock. It is just like not like a matte finish, but not really like a sheen either, but it's kind of like in the middle. So let's start our walkthrough. The Fool. So much happening with the fox chasing the like butterfly and the squirrel and like mushrooms. So much. The Magician. Love the different colored pearls that are like swirling around. A little nest has like an egg, a honeycomb, a little pearl in a shell. The little feather has a heart in it. There's like so much in each card. The High Priestess. Love how there's like a little portal in this tree behind her. The Empress. Emperor. The Hierophant. I love this like roots going down skull fossil of like a woolly mammoth, maybe, with the oh, that's so pretty. And the little babies following along. The Lovers, two pearls in their mouths, a big pearl beneath their feet. The red string carried by the other birds, if you know about the red string theory. The Chariot. Very pretty. Strength. The Hermit. Love this. Wheel of Fortune. The little ladybug. The snake going all the way around. Justice. Again with the pearls. We have the water. The Hanged Man. So like I said before, these cards are very much meant to like deep dive into. This is Death, the golden egg. Temperance, two dragonflies. Fish. The Devil, little cricket playing the violin or the fiddle, and he is locked on that little stalk, but he's locked there playing his little fiddle. But if you notice, there is a key hanging right there that he could use to unlock himself. The Tower. The Star, she's kind of lifting the veil, showing you what could be, maybe. The Moon. The Sun. I do like this one with the little door, little hummingbird. Judgment, little cicada with some fossils. The World. And then we get into our minors. First up, we have Cups. And I do apologize for the lighting situation. My head has not been feeling the best. I do suffer from chronic migraines, so I cannot really have bright lights on me right now, but I did want to still film for you guys. So, Two of Cups, little dragonflies. 3. Four of Cups, little ship stuck on a little rock. I love all of these little like gold accents as well. 5 of Cups. 6. 7. Some more gold accents. 8 of Cups. 9. I don't hate this 9 of Cups. Again. Page. So these being on camera does not do it justice. Knight of Cups. Like there's so many minute details that you'll only be able to see if you actually see the cards in person. Queen of Cups. She reminds me of that toy when in the 90s where you would pull her and her wings would like shoot her up into the sky. I can't remember the name. King of Cups. And then we are entering coins. Ace of Coins, little honeycombs with things that they've stashed in there. Two of Coins. Little beekeeper in her little outfit. Three of Coins, so you can see the different types of bees. We have the queen, we have the worker. I can't remember the name of the other one, but three distinct bees all working together. Four of Coins. Five of Coins. Look at their little butts. Six of Coins. Oop. Seven of Coins. Ooh, Eight of Coins. I love that spider. I do enjoy me some spiders. Nine of Coins. Ten of Coins. Page. Knight of Coins. More little fat butt bees. Queen of Coins. So pretty. King of Coins. And then we are into the swords. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Four. What's that one? Ooh, Five of Swords. I like that. Six. Ooh, seven. The swords are piercing the eggs. Eight of Swords. Nine. I really like this. It's almost like if that owl flies up and leaves, they are holding a few of those swords in place. So unless she continues to feed it those dark thoughts, dark energy, dark whatever, she could potentially impale herself. 10 of Swords. Page. Knight, red strings again, Queen of Swords, King, and then we are into the Wands. Ace, little cocoon right there, chrysalis, pine cones, ferns. Two of Wands, little chunky little burr. That rock almost looks like a snake. Three of Wands, so pretty with the butterflies. 4, 5, 6. Love that deer. 7. Ooh. Shadows again. 8. 9. Ooh, I like this. It's like salmon following the river upstream. 10 of Wands. Ooh, that turtle has a lot going on his back. And it's obviously been there a while with how big those mushrooms. Page. Knight. Queen. And King. Okay. So that was all of the cards themselves. So now, just to go through the book a little bit here. So we do have a foreword by Benabel Wynn, which is quite a few pages. Then you have an introduction by the artist. Then you have getting started with this tarot deck. She also has, for each one, she has like an era and the focus of that era, like keys 1 through 7 is struggle, 8 through 14 is stabilizing, 15 through 21 is enlightenment. Okay. Life stage of the court cards. Reading and interpreting the cards. If you want to read with reversals, you can also meditate with each card. Do a card of the day reflection. So, and then also for each card, or for each symbol that she used in the deck, she has it listed here. And then what card it is in, like an acorn is in the Fool, Emperor, World, 2 of Wands, 4 of Wands, and 5 of Wands. Like a bat is with the Magician and the World. Butterfly is in all of these cards. So you also get a correspondence symbol list, and it is a large one, which I appreciate. And then we get into each of the cards. So like with the Major Arcana, you get the title, and then you get a little like archetype. It almost looks like. So the Fool is the Wanderer, and then you get like keywords right here, and then she takes you into the description of the Fool itself, and then looks like she used a coyote, so she goes into coyote. The Magician, the Creator, and then she goes into the Falcon. I don't think that is the same for the minors. Let's see. So like we do still have the archetype, keywords, and then we do have a description, but that is it. So if you do want to go further into the symbols and what's on the card itself, you could refer back to those pages of the symbols and the correspondences. But there is so much in here. And you have some tarot spreads that they have created. And then you have a conversation with the artist between Benabel and Stephanie. That is probably a very good read. So I cannot wait to sit down and read that. And then if you would like to write to the authors, to Stephanie or Benabel, then you can do so. It has the address here in the back. Okay, guys, so that was the Verdance Tarot. And then we can just zoom back out a little bit. There we go. That was the Verdance Tarot by Stephanie Poumanant. Again, if I mispronounced that, I apologize. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want me to do a really deep dive into these cards and all, everything I see. I'd be glad to do that. If you stayed till the end, thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. I wish you nothing but blessings and growth, and I will see you next time.